What do you think is the mass of an average-sized third grader? In this lesson, you will learn how to estimate mass in kilograms by using benchmarks. Let's review. You already know that mass is how much matter an object contains, and it can be measured in grams or kilograms. And you already know that 1,000 grams equals 1 kilogram. And you also know that you can use benchmarks to estimate mass. So if you're trying to figure out, what is the mass of a regular sized strawberry? You can say it's somewhere in between the mass of a paper clip and a pen. It seems like it's closer to the mass of a pen, so maybe it's about 6 grams. A common mistake is worrying that your estimate has to be exactly right. So remember, an estimate is an educated guess. You might have guessed that the mass of a strawberry was 5 grams, or 6 grams, or 7 grams, or 8 grams, or 9 grams, or 10 grams. Those are all good guesses using the benchmarks. There's no one right answer when you're making an estimate or a guess. So, let's think about benchmarks we can use to estimate mass in kilograms. What are some objects or benchmarks of 1 kilogram? A pineapple has a mass of about 1 kilogram. A dictionary has the mass of about 1 kilogram. And a baseball bat has the mass of about 1 kilogram. And what are some benchmarks we can use that have a mass of about 10 kilograms? A chair has a mass of about 10 kilograms. A bag of groceries has a mass of about 10 kilograms. And a bike has a mass of about 10 kilograms. And what about 100 kilograms? What are some benchmarks for 100 kilograms? A large man has a mass of about 100 kilograms. A baby cow has a mass of about 100 kilograms. And a metal sign has a mass of about 100 kilograms. So let's practice. What do you estimate is the mass of a pumpkin? Let me use some benchmarks to figure this out. I know that a dictionary has a mass of about 1 kilogram, and a bag of groceries has a mass of about 10 kilograms. And I think that the mass of a pumpkin is probably just about the same as a bag of groceries. So I'm going to estimate that the mass of a pumpkin is about 10 kilograms. But what about our average sized third grader? What benchmarks can we use to estimate that mass? We know that a chair has a mass of about 10 kilograms, and a baby cow has a mass of about 100 kilograms. And I think the mass of an average-sized third grader is definitely going to be much closer to the mass of a chair, somewhere around here. But it's more than the mass of a chair. So I'm going to estimate that it might be about 25 kilograms, the mass of an average-sized third grader. So in this lesson, you have learned how to estimate mass in kilograms by using benchmarks.